Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BIEL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I've been doing this analysis on a very routine basis, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. And just quickly want to get a couple things updated. Not really a whole lot of new things to talk about, but just like I said, a few minor observations because the key levels are both still in place. So we'll quickly touch on those key levels because I realized that not everybody watched yesterday's video. First key level is the area of support that I've been talking about, and that's down there at 0019. From that perspective, the price didn't even come close to testing it today, so that level of support seems to be very nicely in place. The other level of support to keep an eye on is going to be that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average. It has been sloping up nicely, and it is getting pretty close to the price. So, it's one of those situations where tomorrow is probably going to dictate whether or not the price stays above the purple line. If the price does fall below the purple line, I'm not saying that everything's ruined, but in that event, that's where, what you would want to see 0019 step up as support if the price were to test it. On the flip side, in terms of big levels, it's all about the 0.0025 level up there as resistance, and it was indeed broken during the first 30 minutes. You can see there's a pretty big surge this first 30 minutes. But the thing with the surges, it didn't last very long. Volume dropped off a cliff and pretty much stayed low the remainder of the day. So yeah, the price fell back and just stayed inside the range. So yeah, volume dropped off, but it's not like, volume dropped off and then the price ended up all the way down here. It was just volume didn't hold up, and that would make sense why that breakout couldn't quite hold up. So outside of that, it's just currently a situation of kind of wait and see, pop some popcorn, and wait and see whether the bulls are going to get a breakout to the upside of 0025 or if the bears are going to get a breakdown to the downside of 0019. So it'll be interesting to see how the price closes out the week tomorrow. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.